for all. And come on over, hit subscribe. Your support keeps us alive.